Hi and welcome, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you simple color grading in OpenShot video editor. To do that, go to add your clip as you do usual and go to effects over here. If you don't see effects, go view, docs, and make sure that they are turned on over here. And now over here choose the brightness and contrast, drag and drop it, go to video preview, right click on this little icon properties, and you can play with some brightness and with some contrast. Also you can add hue and saturation effect, just drop it on your clip, select this here, and over here in the video preview you can edit, you can add some values. Go again on the effects and click this color saturation, just drag and drop it, and you will see again another icon, click on it, and you will see in the properties window you can also choose the effect over here, color saturation. You can add some blue, green and red in the video preview, so I'll kill this green for example, and practically play with these effects over here and make some nice videos. If this helped you, please consider to drop some likes and comments below, and see you in some other tutorial. Bye bye.